What's going on in there? They're not burning. It was 7 times hotter. They didn't even burn my soldier. What's going on? They look like they're just standing around. Wasn't there only 3 of them in there? Why is there a 4th person? Who is that? Who is that man?
He is our God. He's our angel.
All right, that's enough. They're not burning. Turn it off. Take them out. Let them out. All right, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. My heart has been changed by what I've seen in the furnace. A new decree for the land. We will all worship your God. What do you think about that? Good. All right. Hooray! I love happy endings.
Yay! Grace, come on. And Savannah, you made it all the way through. Well done, well done. Dougie, high five, buddy, you did it.
Good job.
There you go, Mommy.
And good job, Daddy, with the hot outfits today. Woohoo!
That's a